forward like that, this does not spin at all. If I put it in another gear, it'll spin, but in that gear it spins. But if I put it up like that, it does not spin.
Yeah, the input shaft doesn't turn, but...
So we ran into a huge problem. After spending $500 and searching for this transmission for weeks, we finally get the transmission, but force goes through and one of the gears wouldn't spin and something's wrong with the input shaft, so this transmission's not gonna do. Luckily, our friend we bought it from has other ones he's gonna replace it with, but we wanted to go a little bit deeper, like what is actually causing this not to turn? What's going wrong with this transmission? It's the meaning of life, and is Bigfoot real? The casing off, we're gonna look inside, figure out what's wrong with this, and then get a plan moving forward for when we're gonna get this next transmission. Alright, before we get to this time lapse, check out our buddy Built and Raised, our buddy Danny. He came over and he's the one who hooked us up with the transmission and helping us fix it and get this case swap going. So check out his page. He has a cool Integra. I think it's a Type R. He has a RSX, another Integra that's case swapped. So yeah, check him out. Unfortunately, Danny had a very good explanation of everything that went wrong with his transmission and told us how transmissions works, but unfortunately our camera's audio didn't pick up any of it because the microphone was broke, so sorry. Hello, what are you up to?
And right here, just tinkering in the garage.
Just had a quick question for you.
What?
Do you think you could explain just real quick in like 60 seconds just what was wrong with that transmission? I was trying to just throw together that video real quick and post it, but I don't exactly know what happened.
Somebody over-tightened the motor mount, so it shattered a piece of the inside of the transmission off into the and made it brake reverse.
Oh, so when the person put that bolt in with that little piece you guys were looking at, they torqued it on too far and that little piece of metal went in and it got caught inside the reverse gear, and that's why the reverse wouldn't turn?
I don't know entirely. I know that piece was somewhere in there, but it also broke the whatever that retaining clip thing is that he was telling you about.
Oh, that was what the little wire piece was?
Yeah.
And what's that do?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
He said something about the second gear or a synchro or something, but I didn't pay attention to what he said.
Oh man, I lost all the audio basically.
I know, Ricky was telling me that.
So after all this, we just sat around the fire because we figured out the problem with the transmission, and yeah, oh look, here's a sneak peek at the Del Sol as our buddy Anthony's over here sanding it and getting it ready to paint the engine bay. So don't forget to subscribe and tune in next time as we get this engine ready.
You got the crazy, that's crazy.